1984, Paul Weller with the Style Council had a smash hit. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. Well, Paul, I've got news for you. Oh, and belated happy birthday. I found something better. And this has been on my mind for a long, long time. We all get bolts like this, or like this, that we want to clean up, wire brush them, and some of us go to the extremes of buying brand new nuts and bolts. Maybe not anymore. We want to sandblast them, don't we? If you've got a little sandblasting cabinet like that one there, well, you can sandblast them one at a time. Or, if you're adventurous like I used to be, stick them on a magnet like that. It does get a bit of a pain in the ass when you've got rubber gloves on trying to move them around. Ta-da! So these here, these are like speed nuts, captive nuts, and that's 8mm, that's 10mm. And all you do is you get your, I love this one, I think it's one of the best ones I've ever come up with. Put your bolts in like that though, screw them all in. It doesn't matter if they've got washers on them and silicone or anything like that, bit of muck on them. It matters not one jot. Fill them up and then put them through a sandblaster. Now I'm going to load this one up and I'll show you how quick it takes. In fact, let's go to the sandblaster and I'll show you how long it takes. So we've got the bolts off the back cover of an LT230, you know, the PTO cover. I'm one click Wally on the machine now. I put a solenoid on for the air so I don't have to mess about, and same with the vacuum. Now I did have problems with these ones because they had silicone on them. Well, you can see there, that's it. Now, take this one step further, because I was thinking about this too. If we make once upon a time we did some zinc plating. So if you have all your bolts like that, because you only want to do the heads, you don't really want to do everything else, and they're all upside down like this, and you put your electrode on here and into your bath, you can zinc plate them. Brilliant. Now, what am I going to do with these? What have we got to do with a problem like Maria? Well, I've just spied something. This Walter zinc is really good. Dries quick, don't rust. There you go. And added to this, because this is another thought I've just had, it's like a key ring, isn't it? You can put all your bolts on here and you know exactly where they are instead of losing them. I think it's a scorcher. I really do. I think it's a good one because, like I said, it makes the job nice and tidy. It's just a pity we can't do like a anodised finish. I suppose you could do if you were, you know, sort of interested, but I just did that off the cuff. But what I suggest you do, if you've got silicone in them, put them in your parts washer or put them in a bucket of petrol. Silicone will come off. Then, once they're dry, put them in your sandblaster. Job done. I amaze myself sometimes. So it looks like I've got a lot of sandblasting to do, but that's a lot easier. Love it. See ya.